This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power down the MacBook Air and clear a workspace to avoid losing tiny clips. Use a flat plastic pry tool and tweezers. Metal tools can chip the keycap. Gently pry at one end of the spacebar. You only need a small lift to release the clips. Once an edge pops, slide the tool along the key to unclip the rest. Keep the keycap supported so clips don't fly off, and drop them into your container for safekeeping. Once the keycap is off, you'll see the stabilizer bar and the scissor hinge assembly. Carefully lift the stabilizer, press it slightly toward the center to disengage metal hooks on both sides, then lift straight up. Next, unclip the scissor pieces by spreading them gently until they release from the keyboard membrane. Avoid bending the plastic. Make sure to keep parts in order and note which direction each piece faced. This matters when you reinstall to restore even key travel and avoid wobble. To finish, reverse the steps. Seat the scissor hinge into its slots so the tiny tabs align and lock. Then clip the stabilizer bar back onto the metal hooks. Make sure it sits flat. Align the spacebar keycap evenly over the hinge and press firmly until you hear clicks on both ends and the center. If the key feels sticky or uneven, lift it again and check for debris or misaligned clips. Clean with compressed air or isopropyl on a cotton swab and reseat parts carefully to resolve issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.